see boys, this is my traxxas slash two-wheel drive, and I've had problems with my motor. I've gone through 2 10-12Ts and I've just got this atomic motor, and it overheats and it ruins the soldering on it, so the wires keep falling off, and it's a bad motor. Well, it's not bad, it's just the wires overheat and melt the solder. So I'm going to do a build series of upgrading this to a Valenion system and getting a 3S LiPo and a 4x4 traxxas slash 4x4 rolling chassis. So I'm just going to take out the motor and stuff. I always put the wheel under this so it doesn't collapse, and well, not collapse, just go down, so it's harder to do stuff. And always put the nut on the axle so you don't lose it. So I'll just take off this. Okay, now I'm in to where the spur and pinion is. So I'll undo these. Okay, I've got my motor off. So now I'll need to undo this tape to disconnect these wires. Yeah, so this will be the end of the next episode. I'll do the next episode soon of putting in my Valenian system, and then I'll get my 3S lipo. And then after that I'll get the 4x4 rolling chassis. So that's the end of this episode, and see ya.